Hey friends, if you wish to use disk cleanup on your Windows 11 computer and we are specifically talking about disk cleanup, then please watch this video. Now disk cleanup will save you with a lot of hassle, so search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open the disk cleanup tool. Click on OK after selecting the drive. Now here's the thing, we can delete temporary files and all through a different method too. Press the Windows key and the R key together, type temp, hit enter, and then click on continue and then delete all of these files one by one. So that is one case, and then we can delete the recycle bin. But using the disk cleanup tool, we can delete all of these files with one single software. All we need to do is tick all of these, okay, and then click on OK and then click on delete files, and it will start deleting all of these unnecessary files except for system files. So it will leave system files, but it will delete all files in the temporary folder, %temp folder, and the prefetch folder, and other than this, the recycle bin. And once this is done, you can open this cleanup once again and open it here and click on cleanup system files, and then you'll notice that it will also ask for a few more drive selections, and you can also clean Windows update files and all with this. As you can see, now we don't have the option for cleaning up system files because they have been cleaned. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.